Welcome back to Upgrade My Kitchen. If you're looking to elevate your cooking game with the latest kitchen tech, then you're in the right place. Today, we're highlighting the Ninja DZ071 Foodi 6-in-1 FlexBasket Air Fryer. This air fryer is perfect for anyone who values versatility, convenience, and efficiency in their kitchen. Let's get into what makes this air fryer a must-have. First off, the Ninja Foodi features an impressive 7-quart capacity. With its innovative FlexBasket design, you have the option to split it into two 3.5-quart baskets for cooking different foods at the same time. Whether you're prepping chicken in one side and veggies in the other, or going all in with the MegaZone for larger proteins like a 4-lobby pork roast, this air fryer has you covered. No more back-to-back cooking, save time and energy. One standout feature is the DualZone Technology. This allows you to cook two foods in separate baskets with different settings and have them finish cooking at the same time with the Smart Finish function. Or you can use the Match Cook option to sync the same cooking settings across both zones for larger meals. Speaking of cooking, the Ninja Foodi doesn't just air fry. It's a 6-in-1 appliance that offers air broiling, baking, roasting, reheating, and dehydrating. Think about all the dishes you can create with just one machine. Crispy fries, roasted chicken, baked casseroles, dehydrated fruit snacks, and so much more. It's the ultimate all-in-one tool that helps save counter space and budget. Customer feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. Users rave about how easy it is to operate and clean, thanks to its dishwasher-safe parts. The high cooking speed and consistent results have made this appliance a staple in many kitchens. Families love how it accommodates larger meals, simplifying weeknight dinners or weekend feasts. If you're wondering whether this air fryer is for you, consider the ease of cooking and cleanup, the family-sized capacity, and the ability to prepare two dishes simultaneously. For those who lead busy lives but still want to enjoy delicious home-cooked meals, the Ninja Foodi D071 could be a game changer. Could be a pasani. Thanks for watching this review. As you saw on the thumbnail, the product featured in this video was available at a great discount when I uploaded it. However, discounts can change quickly, so make sure to check the description below for the latest offers and deals. If you're looking for amazing kitchen gadgets at discounts ranging from 10% to 60% off, be sure to subscribe to Upgrade My Kitchen. I always review products after gathering a lot of knowledge and checking customer feedback. That's why I feature top-rated and best-selling products that are perfect for upgrading your kitchen.